Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to export your LinkedIn contacts to Excel. This is incredibly useful when you want to organize your professional network, create mailing lists, or simply back up your connections outside of LinkedIn. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, sign into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding to the next steps, as you'll need access to your account settings. After you've successfully logged in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section houses all the important controls for managing your LinkedIn account and data. Now that you're in the settings area, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories for managing different aspects of your account. Click on Data Privacy. This is where LinkedIn gives you control over your personal information and allows you to access the data they've collected about you. Within the Data Privacy section, look for the option labeled Download My Data and click on it. This feature is designed to give you a complete copy of your LinkedIn information, which is exactly what we need to export your contacts. You'll now see a couple of download options. What you want to select is Download Larger Data Archive, including connections, verifications, contacts, account history, and information we infer about you based on your profile and activity. This comprehensive option ensures you get all your connection details, not just a basic list. Once you've selected this option, click Request Archive. LinkedIn will now begin preparing your data file. This isn't an instant process, so you'll need a bit of patience here. The key thing to understand is that LinkedIn typically takes about 24 hours to compile all your data into a downloadable file. During this time, they're gathering all your connections, contact information, and organizing it into a format you can use. So don't worry if nothing happens immediately. This is completely normal. Keep an eye on your email inbox over the next day. LinkedIn will send you an email notification once your data archive is ready to download. This email will contain a link to download your file. When you receive that email and download the file, you can simply open it using Excel. The contacts will be organized in a spreadsheet format, making it easy to sort, filter, and manage your professional network however you need. And that's it. Your LinkedIn contacts are now exported and ready to use in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.